In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a faded blue sky, going from a deep, rich, dark blue at the top down into a lighter, paler blue color with some mountains off in the distance. And I just use the three primary colors, which are red, blue, and yellow, and then black and white, and I show you how to mix it. So first, we're going to start with a wide brush. And I'm going to dip it into water, and I just have my paint on a regular old paper plate. So first you're going to grab just the blue color with your wide brush, and we're going to start out at the very top with this really rich dark blue color, just basic blue. So I'm going to start bringing the dark blue down around the corners, kind of like an arch. So I'm not even going to rinse the paint off of my brush. I'm going to scoop up some white. And I'm just taking this white and I'm going to start bringing it back and forth across, letting it mix in with that blue color paint. So back and forth, kind of a little bit light strokes. Just back and forth, working that white up into the blue and then back down. It's gonna pull that blue color down into the white. So once again, I'm going to pick up white. I'm not even gonna rinse my brush. So you're gonna scoop up white and come down right below where you were just mixing, and then again back and forth up into the blue and back down. You don't want to go all the way at the top because you want that very top to be really dark, vibrant blue. So I'm scooping up another bit of white. Lightly back and forth. It doesn't have to be perfect because this can be those striations in the sky that look like little clouds. So I didn't put anything on my brush, I'm just pressing a little bit harder. If you notice, if you press harder, that blue gets released bright again because you're pressing it out of your brush. So lightly back and forth, just kind of working it back and forth. One more time, we're gonna scoop up white. I didn't rinse my brush off, so we're gonna put the white right down here at the bottom and just start working that back and forth into that blue. So we have a gradient from dark blue going down into a light blue color. And this kind of pulls the eye into the center where it's brightest and lightest. And I just think that dark blue around the edge frames it really nice. All right, now we're going to put some distant mountains in there, and I think I'm going to mix up, I'm feeling a little bit like purple mountains in the distance today. So I still have that blue and white on the large brush, and I'm just going to take a little bit of red in the corner. So you find a place on your plate and just mix it a little. And you should have like a purplish color, and I'm going to take a little bit of white just to lighten it up a little. And this is the shade. It's kind of like a reddish purple. So big decisions here. I'm going to come over here, place a mountain, and see how I didn't rinse my brush and I have all those different colors in there. when you pull it across, see how it makes those beautiful different colors in that mountain. And you just want to leave that. Don't do anything to it. If it looks good, just leave it. The art of restraint. I'm gonna load some more purple on. Now I'm pressing my brush into the canvas to bring some of that blue out on this one. And then just bring it across. It's going to bring the blue out at the bottom, and that's good. And that's how you make purple mountains in the distance with a nice blue sky with no clouds in it, going from a darker blue to a lighter blue gradient with some distant purple mountains. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful day.